We all know there's a hype about Nancy Pelosi trades. Everybody tries to chase whatever she buys or her manager buys. But how do you take a position? How do you trade it? Because there's no guarantee in the market, but you have to be on the top of these trades. First of all, you need to know about the stock and see what the price levels are, technicals are, and what the news is. So Nancy Pelosi basically bought call options for next year worth 100,000. It's a good sector. So TEM is basically healthcare and AI company, just like RxRx. We know this AI is hot, and our plan was simple: support at 40.50, resistance at 42 and 43.50, MTF clouds above, and if it holds the 40, we will long it. So TEM was gapping up, as you see right here, and it held the gap. And these were our pre-market levels. And as soon as I saw the strength, I said long idea versus 41.40 stops. Why were 41.40 our stops? Because this right here. It's not always good to buy things like this blindly. You never know, like what TEM did end of the day. You have to use a technical system. You have the news, you have the catalyst, but then you need the other piece of the puzzle, which is your technical system. And that's our technical system was our Ripster cloud, our EMS system, MTF cloud system, and all those. So anyways, TEM gapped up, held the gap. That gave us the confidence to long it. That's when I told the traders long idea versus 41.40. Nancy Pelosi name. The first target was 45. Right away, I gave the 45 initial in the morning my target, and we met our 45 target. We moved our stops to 42.50 so that we keep basically doing a trailing stops. So we load most of profit in. But that's when the real money starts to make. We started to make a flag at 10 a.m. That's when I gave a target of 48.20, 48.90, and then 50 targets were my 3 targets. Stops were 44. We did meet most of our targets. We were short of our 50 target, like 20-30 cents. And after that, it gave a short at 512 break. You have to exit that time. But you can see that with the proper planning in the market and with proper risk reward, that was beautiful $6 to $7 per share trade for us in the community. So that's how you trade these setups. So make sure you understand next time there is any news, any political news, so you can trade those setups. Of course, there's a catalyst, but you need a technical system to risk reward. Imagine you're a trader who's buying end of the day. He has no system. You're going to lose money right away. It doesn't matter Nancy Pelosi is buying it or not. You're just trying to trade it. But then you bounce it again from 34.50. That's our another repeatable setup, and you trade it long on 34.50. And that's not all. We didn't give up on TEM. TEM was every day on our day 2, day 3 list. This is our day 2, day 3 list. Is on our top of our list. Reason being, we know it as a catalyst, and no AI is hard, so it's not really going away. Because you also look at the chart. If the chart was bearish, then yes, you leave it alone. But chart is bullish, so that tells us it's a good swing as well. It's holding over the MTF cloud, and then the consolidation day comes, it does nothing, and then day 3 comes. That's why it's our day 2, day 3 setup. Our levels were 48, 48, 48, 91. Nice little consolidation, and the breakout over the pre-market high longs and yesterday high longs, and boom. And TEM pushed towards yesterday's highs there as well. And you see how it pushed and gave another beautiful trade. If you track it every day, you could make this money on these stocks for many days because they have those catalysts. So next time you have a catalyst stock, which is politician is buying or Nancy is buying, you know how to use Ripster EMA Cloud to make money on that. Not once, not twice, a few times.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.